Hey toy collectors, welcome to another super exciting outrageous toy review. Today we're checking out Flame Toys at New York Toy Fair. They have this new line of collector-friendly Transformer figures that look amazing. These are sort of reimagined versions of these characters. Super detailed, very stylized. You can really see like the anime influence, the Gundam influence in these figures, but they just look phenomenal. I thought they were so cool. They look like they have really great articulation and lots of accessories and everything. Here's some packaging artwork. They're like bottle kits, so they go together pretty much like the Gundam figures do, if you're familiar with those kind of figures. Shattered Glass Optimus Prime is an evil version of Prime. Check out that Devastator. So obviously these are robotic action figures. They don't actually transform. They're, definitely a different interpretation of the Transformers. Flame Toys also does some pretty impressive Spider-Man statues and Venom, as well as Batman and other Japanese robots. Thanks for watching this super exciting outrageous tour review. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos.